Muscle soreness can hit like a wave after a tough workout, leaving you stiff, tired, and sometimes questioning if that extra set was worth it. But what if there was a way to recover faster, reduce the pain, and bounce back stronger without waiting days for the soreness to fade? Today, we're diving into 3 simple but powerful recovery exercises designed to help you relieve muscle soreness fast and get you moving again. Imagine this: you crush a workout, but the next morning your legs feel like concrete, your back tight, and your arms barely lifting a coffee mug. Instead of suffering through the stiffness, what if you had a quick recovery routine proven to release tension, flush out soreness, and restore mobility in just minutes? These exercises are used by athletes, physical therapists, and fitness enthusiasts worldwide to speed up recovery, and you can do them right at home. First up is active stretching. Unlike holding static stretches, active stretching involves controlled movements that gently lengthen and contract your muscles. For example, dynamic leg swings or arm circles improve blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to tired muscles while flushing out lactic acid buildup. This means less stiffness and faster healing. Next is the foam roll release. Think of it as a self-massage for your body. Rolling your quads, hamstrings, calves, and back not only breaks up knots, but also stimulates fascia, the connective tissue that often traps tension. Just 5 minutes of foam rolling can drastically reduce soreness and increase flexibility, preparing your muscles for their next challenge. Finally, low-intensity cardio recovery. Something as simple as a brisk walk, cycling at an easy pace, or light swimming helps keep blood flowing without straining sore muscles. This active recovery reduces inflammation, aids in the removal of waste products from muscle tissue, and leaves you feeling refreshed instead of sluggish. So next time soreness strikes, don't just wait it out, fight back with these 3 simple recovery techniques. Active stretching, foam rolling, and light cardio can transform days of pain into hours of recovery. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and you'll bounce back stronger after every workout. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick, science-backed fitness tips.